Welcome to the channel where we help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today, we're comparing two power supplies that promise to keep your gaming rig running smoothly: the Thermaltake Smart 700 WPSU and the CORSAIR RM650 Plus Gold Fully Modular ATX power supply. Let's find out which one is the right fit for you. First, let's discuss the price. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is priced at around $67, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. Amazon reviewers have praised its reliability and performance for gaming and other high-demand tasks. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM650 comes in at $89. And while it's a bit pricier, users highlight its superior efficiency and quiet operation. Reviewers rave about its build quality and performance, especially in high-end setups. So if you're watching your wallet, Thermaltake is the way to go, but if you want premium features, consider CORSAIR. Next up is efficiency. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is 80 PLUS certified, which is decent for most users. Reviewers appreciate its solid performance under load, but it doesn't quite match the efficiency of the CORSAIR RM650, which boasts 80 PLUS Gold certification and up to 90% efficiency. Users have noted that this not only saves energy, but also keeps their systems cooler. If energy efficiency is a top priority for you, the CORSAIR RM650 is the clear winner here. Now, let's talk noise levels. The Thermaltake Smart 700W features a 120mm fan that operates quietly, which reviewers have found to be unobtrusive during gaming sessions. However, the CORSAIR RM650 takes it a step further with its rifle-bearing fan, which users have noted remains exceptionally quiet even under heavy loads. Many reviewers appreciate that it doesn't disrupt their gaming experience, making it the better choice for a silent setup. Finally, we'll compare build quality. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is built to last with a continuous power design, and users have praised its reliability for various applications. On the flip side, the CORSAIR RM650 features 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, ensuring it can handle intense workloads without breaking a sweat. Reviewers have commented on its high-quality construction and long-lasting performance, making it a smart investment for serious builds. If you want something that's built like a tank, CORSAIR is the way to go. In summary, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is an excellent choice for those on a budget seeking reliability and decent performance, while the CORSAIR RM650 stands out with its efficiency, quiet operation, and premium build quality. Both have their strengths, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. So which power supply do you prefer? The budget-friendly Thermaltake Smart 700W or the premium CORSAIR RM650? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links.